Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Nokia X10. First of all, open Play Store on both and get completely free app from this developer called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you can click on Not Now and choose OK in the pop-up, or just tap on OK without clicking Not Now. Either way, after that, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Nokia smartphone and receive on Nokia X10. Now you need to choose all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, select Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files from all of those categories and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe this one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on the Nokia X10 you need to choose Yes I agree or No thanks. Then click on Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon over here next to input key, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code, or we can just input this key over here instead and tap on the Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!